T13 is for athletes with a visual impairment. Their vision is constricted to a radius of less than 20 degrees and/or the ability to recognise a tennis ball-sized object at a maximum of 5 metres.
So that's the classification for T13, and we have a very small field. We've only got 2 competitors. So in this case, there's only a gold medal will be awarded. This is what they call the -1 rule, and so at least somebody in every event has to not get a medal, if you see what I mean. So the 2 competitors, Nyoman Oka from Indonesia. Now, we saw him earlier. He took part in the javelin and won the silver medal in that. And we've got Pramruda Dicesek from Thailand, who will be going in lane 3.
We've got some exciting races on the track happening this afternoon, including some classic events on the field.
So we can hear in the background there my old friend Brian Richmond setting things up for this afternoon. This is the Thai competitor, and these are visually impaired, and they don't run. They could run with a guide if they chose, but they choose not to. Obviously that frees them up, and you can see these are both very, very good athletes, and I think we can confidently predict a very quick time, as we saw this morning with many of the athletes. Some tremendous sprinting this morning. If you didn't see any of it, we had some 400 metres and a lot of 100 metres, and really we had 2 athletes go under 50 seconds in the 400 metres. We had 2 Asian records set this morning. It really was a tremendous morning on the track. Let's hope we get more of the same this afternoon.
Exciting action coming your way, including very soon the men's 100 metres T13 in just a moment.
I'm afraid the gentleman in lane 3 has got probably the longest name among all of the Thai competitives. I'm going to go with, he likes to be called Chakrawan Premraw, and I'm very happy to go with that. Chakrawan Premraw in lane 3. It's the first time I think we've seen him on the track and field. Well, I've watched all of the events, so I would know it is the first time that we've seen him. But we have seen his competitor, Nyoman Oka, and we saw him in the javelin, and he's a very, very good athlete. We saw he was very quick across the ground. Technically probably not the best spear chucker in the field, but very quick across the ground, which of course is why he's appearing here in the 100 metres. So this is scheduled to go at 2:30. So these are the last few seconds of preparation. His coach just giving some instructions. I hope he's told him to tie his laces in a double bow. Just checking the positioning of the blocks. Of course, each athlete has their own preferred setup for the blocks. They are adjustable, or the front one is adjustable. Some people like both of their feet alongside each other. Some like the second leg to move to be much further forward. Of course, in this case, with Chakrawan Premraw, it's going to be the right leg that moves first, coming from behind. Well, you can see these two are outstandingly fit athletes. I think this is going to be fiercely competitive. I'm thinking certainly well under 12 seconds. The record for this distance for the T13 category is 11.31. That was set in Naypyidaw in the beginning of 2014. It was Lamsan Songwut from Thailand, who's obviously not in this race. Only 2 competitors, so tremendous pressure here. 2 competitors, and it's really head-to-head, isn't it? One wins, one loses. you get first, you get the gold, second, you get nothing. It may seem a little bit harsh, but everybody knows the rules before they come into the competition. So one of these guys will go to the victory ceremony and the other one will stay at home. Just running a little bit late behind schedule. Extra nervous tension. But both of these really do look fine athletes, and they won't mind too much, a little bit longer. Gives them a chance to do some more starts. They stay loose, they feel good about themselves, get out the blocks. It's when they have a long delay and they start stiffening up again, that's the problem.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now about to introduce you to the athletes for the first track event this afternoon, and that's the men's 100 meters T13. In lane 1, number 155, from Indonesia, Nyoman Oka. And alongside him, in lane 3, competitor number 303, from Thailand, Prem Rudi Chaisak.
Well, Brian Richmond's done the job of introducing the two athletes. I'm going to go with Chakrawan Premraw for the Thai athlete. If that's how he likes to be known, that's fine by me. So head to head, the ultimate racing, winner takes all. Lane 1 from Indonesia, Nyoman Oka, Nyoman Oka. Lane 3 from Thailand, Chakrawan Premraw. T13 category, 100 meters, men's final. And they're both away quickly, and there's nothing between them but Premraw coming away. Chakrawan Premraw is blasting away. Nyoman Oka's left trailing behind, but what a great run. 11.64 we're getting for the time. Chakrawan Premraw from Thailand blasting his way to the gold medal, and he looked very comfortable indeed. So Nyoman Oka, silver medalist in the javelin, and well, in the circumstances he looked a little bit sluggish there. It's a very good run. They're both very even out of the blocks, but you can see the bigger athlete, Chakrawan Premraw, up, long stride, look at the knee lift, very good, the quad muscles working hard, dips toward the line. It's a very accomplished run, and he's won that race by about 8 meters. Well, it's not a new games record, it's a little way outside of that. His fellow countryman Lamsam Songwut will retain that record, but it's a gold medal for Chakrawan Premraw in his first appearance at the 8th Para Games held here in Singapore. And it's a great moment for the young man. He's all of 18 years of age. Celebrated his birthday on the 8th of October earlier this year. So he's a young man with a lot of talent and a big future ahead of him. Nyoman Oka from Indonesia is the much more experienced athlete. Oh, it's good to see the Thais there again. Actually, I missed them this morning. We didn't see them around. The colourfully dressed, traditionally attired. Oh dear. Oh, I thought he was telling them off for a minute there. I thought there was an official telling them to behave themselves, but instead he just wanted to have a selfie or a weefie taken, and that's what we like to see. So confirmation there of the timings, 12:45. There's no shame in that as a time over 100 meters, but Nyoman Oka unable to get close to Chakrawan Premraw.
For the confirmation of the results of the event we just witnessed, the men's 100 meters T13.